opinions and perspectives. All right. So abhi tak what we saw was that in the first class on opinions, we saw that opinions and facts are two different things. एक ही story में you can have opinion also and you can have fact also. Now fact is always true, but opinion you cannot prove it. Fact you can always prove, opinion you cannot prove, and opinion changes from one person to another. Okay? Not everyone has the same opinion. So whenever we are reading or listening to anyone on news, newspaper, WhatsApp messages, even your parents, just focus, just try to see कि वो जो बोल रहे हैं क्या वो फैक्ट है कि ओपिनियन है. अगर ओपिनियन, हम बहुत बार क्या करते हैं, वी एक्सेप्ट दैट ओपिनियन एज ट्रूथ. हम उनका ओपिनियन लेके उसको सच मान लेते हैं, राइट? सो but that shouldn't be the case, right? Opinion हमें खुद को खुद का बनाना चाहिए. एंड हम कैसे बना पाएंगे? जब हम फैक्ट्स को प्रॉपर्ली देखेंगे. जब हम फैक्ट्स देखेंगे और हम देखेंगे फैक्ट के बाद उसमें वैल्यू ऐड करेंगे, तब जाके हमारा खुद का ओपिनियन बनना चाहिए, राइट? बिकॉज बहुत बार होता है that दूसरे वाले का ओपिनियन इज नॉट द बेस्ट ओपिनियन. सो डोंट अडॉप्ट दूसरे लोगों के ओपिनियन, मेक योर ओन ओपिनियन. To make your own opinion, you will have to know everything. Okay, just be aware of the difference. In yesterday, this was what we did on Monday. Yesterday, we started with author's perspective, author's opinion. What does author think? What does author feel? Uske baad we discussed about your opinion, in which we did red and green wala exercise. So if you agree, if then you will show green, if you don't, red. And we saw every time everyone was having different opinion and different perspective, and that will always be the case. Today we will continue that class, but today we will see opinions in the form of great leaders. Okay, we will look at some great leaders and we will see their opinion, not their opinion, author's opinion on great leaders. Okay, so today I did not ask you to write your goals, because for 1 month till Diwali vacation, till 10th of November, this is our goal. This is the goal for next month. Everyone, please make note of this. First, all of us will be excellent in our online class and daily homework. We will be excellent. हमारा गोल क्या होगा हर क्लास में, हर डेली होमवर्क में, कि मैं अपना एक्सीलेंट दूंगा, या मैं एक्सीलेंट वे में क्लास में पार्टिसिपेट करूंगा, मैं एक्सीलेंट वे में होमवर्क करूंगा, कि अगर ये होमवर्क टेस्ट होता है तो मुझे 10 में से 10 मिल जाते हैं. हमेशा जब आप ऐसे सोच के करोगे और आप हर चीज में एक्सीलेंस चाहोगे, then you will become excellent in your life in everything. Excellence is not something that you have. Excellence is something that you become. अगर excellence आपको बनना है तो कैसे बनते हैं? आप practice करो, try करो हर चीज में excellent करने का, then you will become excellent in everything. ठीक है? It's something that you can become. All right, next, all of us will read 8 books by the end of 4 weeks. We will be reading 8 books. Everyone will read 8 books. One book you have already read. I sent it on Monday. Second book I will be sending you tomorrow. So I have given you 2 extra days to read your first book. It was only 30 minutes. So अगर आप 10 minutes भी every day read करते, आपकी आज खत्म हो जाती. Still अगर किसी का pending है, please take out time and read it. How will reading so many books? 8 books. 8 books means what? Each book has around 3,000. Just wait, let me get my pen. I forgot to get it. Okay, 8 books means what? 8 books, and each book has around 3,000 words, right? So 8 into 3,000 is what? 24,000 words. Total words that you will be reading will be 24,000. And what will this 24,000 words translate into? ये 24,000 words किस में translate होंगे? increase in your RC level. आपका RC level automatically by 1 increase हो जाएगा if you read and understand all these 24,000 words. I know story पढ़ना थोड़ा difficult हो रहा है, but जब आप difficult चीज करोगे, जब आप brain में थोड़ा pressure डालोगे, difficult चीज करोगे, तभी आप grow करोगे. Otherwise there is no way you can grow. You have to do something difficult to make your brain grow. अगर आप हमेशा easy या हल्का सा difficult चीज करोगे तो आपका brain कभी grow नहीं होगा. जितना डिफिकल्ट चीज आप कर लोगे उतना ज्यादा ब्रेन ग्रो होगा. सो व्हेन आई से रीडिंग व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अगर जब भी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड आ रहा है जिसकी वजह से पूरा सेंटेंस नहीं समझ आ रहा है, सो यू फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑन गूगल. फाइंड करो, या तो गेस करो, जो गेस वाला टेक्निक बताया, स्टार्टिंग का पढ़ो, बाद का पढ़ो एंड देन गेस करने का ट्राई करो. बट घर पे आप आराम से, आपके पास टाइम होता है, सो फाइंड इट ऑन गूगल, फाइंड द मीनिंग and then read. This is how I used to read when I was your age. तब तो गूगल भी नहीं होता था. I had to find in dictionary. पता है डिक्शनरी में कितना टाइम लगता है? So I would find the meaning and then I would write so that I don't forget. That's how I used to read. That's how my English became better. And that's what you need to do as well. If you are not reading like this, पूरा समझ के अगर ढंग से हम नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, then पढ़ने का कोई point नहीं है. If you are reading, do real reading. That's very, very important. Thank you so much. I saw few people applauding me and I want you to applaud yourself as well. So start reading, okay? This is the only way to grow in not just English, but everything. You saw na English से how we can work on our critical skills, analytical skills. So ये सारी skills आपको help करेंगी science और maths में. And even in SST also, but I am an engineer, so I've studied science and maths. So I know science and maths में definitely ये जो skills आप English में develop करोगे वो आपको help करेंगे. ठीक है? With this, with these 3 goals in mind, now for 1 week, these 3 will be our goals every day. I will not change it for 1 month. These 3 are our goals. This is what we will do. Everyone has same goals. So with this, I will move forward. Okay. Let's start the class now. All right. Everyone name few people you consider to be great leaders. Who do you think is a great leader? So tell me few names of people who you think are great leaders. Okay, Arsia. You can all write on the chat window. Everyone go to the chat window and write. Arsia, you tell me.
Rani Lakshmi Bai and Shivaji Maharaj.
Okay, thank you, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Shivaji Maharaj. All right, what are we writing on chat? Okay, why have we not written on chat? Please write. Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi. What else? What else? Shaurya, please turn off your video and keep it turned off. Thank you. Quickly, come on everyone, you need to write on the chat window. Who is great leader to you? Who is a great leader? Shreya wrote Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Amrita wrote Mansi Didi. Parents. Helpers who help us in our day-to-day life and fight for us. Okay. Wonderful, Amrita. I can see very holistic leadership approach. Then we have been there saying APJ Abdul Kalam. Ria Misbah writing Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. Ria wrote teacher, Shreya wrote doctor, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Shaurya wrote Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, perfect. All right, so we are writing these are great leaders. These are all the leaders. So I'm not writing everyone's name, but we are all saying these are the great leaders. All right, ठीक agreed. Let's see. Now I will show you something else. Okay. We will continue to learn about more leaders, more about their lives. I'm gonna show you few pictures. Okay. In those, okay, Shreya raising hand. Yes, Shreya.
No. Before I was today.
Okay, I just got notification. Okay. Now, observe the picture and think what makes these leaders special. Why are these leaders special? Okay, I'm going to show you 3 pictures. Tell me why are they special? You can raise your virtual hand to tell me. Why do you think these 3 are special? Okay. Muskan?
Yes, Miss. Miss, the the girl was speech from there, so it's very difficult to everyone we speech and uh, and so
Okay.
वो सब लोग के सामने स्पीच दे रही है तो वो स्पेशल है.
Okay. Muskan says she's giving speech in front of everyone. That is why she's special. Thank you so much for sharing that, Muskan. What else? Shreya, you're raising hand this time?
Yes.
Yeah.
That first one is reading books. So why? Because she is special because everyone needs to read books, and if we will read books and we can tell English, speak in English. If we will go in other country, then they are telling in speaking in English only. That's why she's special.
Okay, because she's reading books, that's why she's special. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that, Shreya. If you read books,
Welcome.
you will grow and learn also. So each
Yeah.
book has a different story. And it's not only stories. If you pick non-fictional books, you will get to learn about other people and other places also. Okay,
Yes.
Arsia.
That lady, I think she's very special because she take lots of effort to do the work or to teach his uh, children. She take lots of effort, so that's why she's special.
Okay, because she's taking a lot of efforts, that's why she's special. Okay, Amrita, I'll give you a chance in a bit. I will now tell you why they are special. They're all young girls. Most importantly, girls से भी ज़्यादा important है young. They're all your age. When they became leader, they were all of them were 12, 13, 14. They were in the age group of 12 to 14 years. They are your age. That's why they're special. They're young. Okay, today we will be learning about those 3 girls' ka story. We will be learning about them. We will be looking at author's perspective about them. Author का क्या perspective है उनके बारे में हम ये देखेंगे. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay, and you will know their name also very soon. Okay, we will be able to identify author's perspective and describe our response to it.
Teacher, today is not like short form. We will be able to.
नहीं, I wrote full. Identify means to find, perspective means opinion,
Opinion.
describe means tell more,
Tell
and
more.
response means reply.
Reply.
Okay. Statement. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the greatest leader in the world. Now, this is the statement that the author is making. Question for you. What does the author think about? Second, do I agree with the author or not? Third, Okay, sorry, this is second, this is third. Why do I agree, disagree? Amrita, would you like to start this time?
But in the Zoom there is something wrong. When I raise hand and when I done telling, when I do lower hand, then also it is raised only. And when I go in
Oh,
participate or chat, my on my showing off.
oh, okay. I don't know, Amrita, why it's happening, but still, you would you like to share about this one?
Yes. The author think that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the greatest leader.
Yes. And do you agree with the author or no? Do you agree or not?
I agree.
Okay, why do you agree?
And disagree also. I agree because he help us, and disagree.
Amrita, your voice is not clear. Can you write on the chat, please? बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया मुझे. मेरे को सिर्फ इतना समझ आया. You said you agree and disagree both. So choose one. Choose you agree, that's it, or disagree, that's it. Ria, would you like to share?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Would you like to share answer to these three questions?
Yes.
Hmm.
I think that all the things that he was the greatest leader, Jawaharlal Nehru, and I also agreed. I agreed because I also think that he was the greatest leader. He was so nice.
Okay. Is nice enough to be a great leader?
No,
Then
it should be all thing means there should be no words to say.
okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you for sharing that. Good job, everyone. Now we will read the stories. So the strategies that we are going to follow is strategy 1. जहाँ पे भी star आएगा, we will stop and summarize. Second, everyone knows the meaning of summarize, right? So whatever we have read in 1 or 2 lines, we will say the entire thing.
Yeah.
Second, whenever there is a new word, because now we don't have a lot of time, we're not going to go to Google and find the meaning. We are just going to read before, we are going to read after that word, and we will try to guess the meaning. ठीक है? And जो guess किया meaning, वो meaning सोच के पूरा sentence हम दोबारा से पढ़ेंगे. Got it?
Yes.
So first is I do. I do मतलब मैं करूँगी. After that it will be you. We do and you do. You do is your homework. We do is something we will do together.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are reading about the first girl, the girl who had all the books. We are reading about her. Let's see how she is the leader. Okay. Her name is Marley Diaz. Marley Diaz is a smart young girl. When she was 11 years old, she felt tired of all the books she read in school. Okay, so I see Marley is very small. She's only 11, very young. And she's feeling tired of reading all the books in school. I wonder why she's feeling tired. Maybe the books are very long. I don't know. Let's see. She felt disappointed that all the books, okay, now disappointed, what can it mean? Let me read before and after. So she felt matlab feeling. So that means disappointed means feeling. Okay. What feeling it can be? Let me read after and see. That all the books were about white boys and white stories. And she couldn't connect with the characters in the book. Oh, so she is black and all the stories जो book में थे वो white boys के बारे में थे and white stories थी. Okay, white लोगों के बारे में stories थी और white boys के बारे में थी. Oh, and she was not able to connect with the characters in the book. अगर वो connect नहीं कर पा रही थी characters, I think she was feeling sad. Maybe disappoint का meaning sad होता है. Okay. So now I know कि she was 11 and she was not happy with the books in the school because she could not connect with them. Okay, the star is there, so I've summarized. She decided she had to solve this problem. Wow. So she's 11 and she's not liking the books. So she's going to solve this problem. Wonderful. Okay, let me read ahead. Marley wanted to make books more diverse. Okay, now diverse, I don't know the meaning of diverse. Diverse looks like a difficult word. Um, but I can guess that diverse can mean she wanted to include books about black people also in it, because that's the problem, right? All the books are about white boys and white stories. So maybe she wants to include black also. So maybe that's the meaning of diverse. All right. Marley collected books in which black girls are the main characters, not minor characters. Oh, so this, let me summarize now. So she's 11-year-old. She does not like the books in her school because she cannot connect with them. So she has decided to solve the problems. And what is she doing? She's collecting books in which black girls are the main character. Okay, let's read ahead. Marley's hard work has helped many young black girls who can now read books about people who look and talk like them. All right. Now there's a star again, so I will again summarize. So what have I read till now? There's a girl, a black girl. She's 11. She's not liking the books in her school because they're all about white boys and white stories, and she can't connect with them. So she has decided to solve the problems. So she's now collecting books about black girls, in which black girls are the main characters. And all the hard work that she did now is helping all the black girls, because now they're reading about people who look and talk like them. Okay, so everyone, this is how you will also read. I've showed you how I read the book. This is the same way. So whenever you find a difficult word, try to guess the meaning. How do you guess? Read before, read after, and just see कि उसका मतलब क्या हो सकता है. Whenever there is a star, you will stop and you will summarize. ठीक है? Did you understand how I read the story till now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Do you now understand why Marley is a special and very good leader? Because she
Yes.
has solved a problem. ठीक है? For so many people, and so many people can now enjoy reading as well. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, what does the author think about? Let's see. Marley is a smart, hardworking girl. She has helped many young black girls read books they can connect to. All right, this is author's perspective. Right. Now, I would want all of you to come here, and would you like to share? Do you agree or disagree with the author? Give reasons. You can write on the chat window. I'm going to ask only 2 people. So rest of you write in the chat. Arsia, you can go first.
I think the author think that uh, this is how we can solve our problem by doing hard work, and I am agree with that, how to solve the problem in our own.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing that, Arsia. Shreya, would you like to share your perspective on this? Do you agree or disagree with the author?
I, in my opinion, I agree. I agree because she's helping others to read who don't know how to read like that, and author is saying uh, right, the sentence, and he is hardworking, and she is smart in readings, and she how to can they can connect to that.
They can connect to the new characters. Okay, so
Yeah.
she's collected the book. She's done the hard work of collecting all the books. All right, I can see few answers on chat. Krishnama wrote she's agreeing because she's doing hard work. Ria wrote because she's helped so many girls. Okay, I think Ria, you wrote agree. Okay. Misbah wrote agree. Okay, Misbah, you have not written the reason why. Muskan also wrote agree. Muskan and Misbah, please write the reason as well. All right. Now let's move forward. Okay. So this we did yesterday also. So if you want to give, and Shreya actually used this sentence starter. She started with, in my opinion. That's very nice, Shreya. All right. So if you want to start a sentence, you can start like, I agree or disagree with the author because I think or believe that, in my opinion, from my perspective, from my point of view. You can start your sentences using these words. So I'm giving an example here. Yes, I agree with the author. From my point of view, Marley Diaz showed hard work and courage. She solved a problem that impacted many girls. So this is how I can tell you the opinion. All right. Now this is we do. Now I want a volunteer, a brave volunteer to come in and read this for me. Okay, not Shreya. Shreya has already answered. I want to give a chance to someone who has not answered till now.
You can give Afrin also.
Okay, Shreya. Afrin, would you want to read?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. Okay, Afrin, you can start.
Malala is a Pakistani school girl who believes that all girls should go to school. She often speaks up for girls, including her strong opinions make some people angry.
Okay, Afrin, can you tell me the meaning of speaks up? He often speaks up for girls' education. So can you tell me the meaning of speaks up? You can try to read before and after and guess the meaning.
She often speaks up for girls. I think speak up means girls Malala she speaks for girls.
Okay, she speaks for girls' education. So it's a complete sentence till full stop. So she speaks up for girls' education. This is apostrophe S, यानी कि girls का. ठीक है? Okay, so she's speaking about girls' education. All right, this is what you understand. All right. And then, can you summarize? You have read till here. Can you summarize? Because we have a star here. Can you say in one line what you have understood? Afrin, we can't hear you. You're on mute. Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Can you summarize for us?
Yes. जो मलाला वो एक पाकिस्तान की स्कूल गर्ल थी जो मतलब गर्ल्स जो स्कूल जो गर्ल्स स्कूल में जाए उसके लिए ना वो एजुकेशन को बोलती थी
Education के बारे में बोलती थी. Okay, so she used to speak up about education. And last part, her opinions made some people angry. Yes, some people used to get angry because of her opinions. All right. Thank you so much for that, Afreen. Ria, can you start reading from one day?
One day when she was returning home from school by bus, she was shot by the Taliban.
Break the word. It was
Tal-
hmm,
Taliban.
Taliban. Okay,
Taliban.
Taliban is a terrorist group.
Miss, we studied this in KER.
Yeah, we studied about Malala last year as well. Yes, but only few students studied, so I thought why not get her story to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, so Ria, can you summarize what you have read till here because there's a star here.
मलाला एक पाकिस्तानी गर्ल थी जो स्कूल में पढ़ती थी.
Can you say
उसने
that in English, please?
Okay, means Malala was a Pakistani. She studies in a school, and she said that all girls should study. No one can means some people said means some people was angry of Malala's opinions, so the Taliban shoot her one day when she was going from bus.
Yes, correct. Read ahead, Ria.
After the attack, her family left Pakistan and moved to England. In England, Malala started the Malala Fund to help girls from many countries to go to school.
Okay, thank you so much, Ria, for that. Can I have Shashwat summarize this for us? Shashwat, can you please summarize this for us? In 2 lines, tell me the entire story. Only pick up the main ideas and share. Shashwat, are you there?
After the shot, Malala. Yes.
Yes, speak.
After the attack, her and Malala moved to Pakistan and
Shashwat, you have to
England.
summarize the story.
Malala started one called Malala Fund.
All right, Shashwat, your voice is not clear. Can you write on the chat window, please? Just write in the chat window. Your voice is not clear and audible. I will read from the chat. Anyone who would like to summarize the story?
Teacher Shreya.
Okay, Shreya, please raise your virtual hand and don't speak out. Okay. All right. Someone who has not said anything till now. Jayashree. Jayashree, would you like to do it? Jayashree, would you like to summarize? Jayashree, are you there? Jayashree, आपको unmute करना पड़ेगा and you will have to say something. Even if you don't want to summarize, say that so that at least I know you are in the class. All right, I'm so sorry, everyone. I didn't realize my internet stopped working. Okay, so Jayashree, I was asking you to summarize. Can you please summarize? Can you hear me, everyone? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. All right. Jayashree is, I think, no longer with us. Bindya, would you like to summarize? Bindya, would you like to summarize?
आफ्टर द अटैक जब उसकी फैमिली पाकिस्तान से इंग्लैंड चली गई, फिर इंग्लैंड में मलाला ने मिस व्हाट्स मीनिंग ऑफ फंड?
Thank you so much for asking. All right, can you try to guess it? If you don't understand this, can you try to guess the meaning? Sorry. Read before and after and try to guess. Then I will tell you the meaning also, but try to guess. Read before and after.
In England, Malala started
The Malala Fund.
to help girls from many countries to get school.
Yeah. So what do you think it can mean? Malala Fund का मतलब क्या हो सकता है? What do you think it can mean?
She tells to give educations to girls.
Yes. So fund का मतलब होता है collecting money, because money is required to give education.
Yes.
Yes, books, teachers, salary, and so many other things. Okay. All right, we will move forward now. So if I had to summarize the story, I would do it something like this. So Malala is a schoolgirl. She speaks about education. She wants everyone, all the girls to be educated. Some people are not happy with that and they're angry. So the terrorist group Taliban has shot her. After they shot her, her family moves to England. In England, she sets up a Malala Fund to help everyone get education. All right, so that's the summary. Now, this is author's perspective. Okay, this is the author's perspective. Many people think Malala is a strong leader, but I disagree. So, author is disagree. After Malala was shot, she escaped to London, England. Escaped. I think escaped is a big word. I think what can it mean? After Malala was shot, she escaped to England. I think escape can mean to go. Go. Okay. But I think she was shot. So it can also mean someone who would like to share. All right. Arsia.
Escape means to go where she was living, so she moved from the other place.
Okay. So that can be the meaning. All right, let me read forward. She left all her friends and other girls in Pakistan with no right to education. Okay, so now the author is saying that when she was shot, she left, and she left all the girls and in the Pakistan, jahan pe there was no right to education. So that's why she's not a great leader, because she left everyone and she went away. Okay, she goes to school in England, but her friends in Pakistan do not. Malala is not special. So she's going to school, but her friends are not going. So that is why Malala is not special. Now, this is author's perspective. Now, time for your perspective. All right. Who would like to share their perspective? Anyone who disagrees with author's perspective and would like to share? Everyone else can write in the chat.
Yes, I am.
Okay, Misbah, you need to raise your virtual hand. You know that, right? But it's okay. You can speak. You have not spoken in the entire class today.
I am disagree because he is say not boys is not study and girl is study.
Where did she say that boys should not study? She didn't say anything about the boys.
रिया जब पढ़ रही थी तब बोलते थे.
Okay.
Priya was giving example.
I think I missed that. Okay, everyone. It's okay. Calm down. We will follow the class rules. Okay. Shreya, would you like to say something to what Misbah said?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am disagree because Malala is special. She's nice and she's helpful because she's doing for girls to get education to the girls, and the author is telling she's not special like that.
Okay, so you disagree with the author.
Yeah.
But she's collecting funds. She's promoting. Okay. All right. Class, because we started late today, we have overshot our time, so I cannot give everyone a chance. This is your homework for today. This is the last story homework. This is the last story. So this is about Greta Thunberg. Remember, students who went to Crossford yesterday with Crossford with me last year, they must have we bought this book only about Greta. So this is the story, very easy. You read this and then answer these 4 questions.
Teacher,
Okay?
you send PPT of this.
I will send it after the science class. Now it's 9:20, so we will